Hi kids, I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to show you really quick today a fast way to get to those websites that we use in class, the Reading A to Z, the LearnZillion, and the Spelling City and Flipgrid. There's a way that you can get to all of them through one website, and I think that'll make it easier for you. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to our Hunters Creek Elementary School webpage. And to get here, you just type in your search bar onslow.k12.nc.us/Hunters Creek ES. And that'll bring you to our school webpage. Once you're there, you can get to Office 365 in one of two ways, and we've already talked about this, so it's going to be kind of quick. First is you can go to Our School and then go to Media Center. And once that page opens, you scroll all the way to the bottom and click Clever. And then once you're there, the Symbaloo will pop up, and you can just click on Office 365. So the other way to get to it, still from our school webpage, you go and you're going to click, let me go back to the home page. So you're on the home page, you're going to click on Teachers, and you're going to go to our class web page. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom, find our class name, and then this will bring you to our home page. Over here you'll see Clever and Office 365 Teams. Click that, click the picture of the Symbaloo, and there you are, right back onto the Symbaloo page. So I'm going to go ahead and click Office 365 because this is how we get to Teams, is through the Office 365 apps. So this will bring you to your apps page. Remember, my page is going to look different than yours because I have several apps that you don't have. But you're going to look for the one that has Teams, and you're going to click that. And once it opens, you should see a page with all of your teams on it. Now, if you just belong to our class team, then you'll only have one. If you belong to other classes, you may have teams for those classes as well. So just click on ours that says Hardinger's Heroes. And once you get there, it'll open up to what I like to think of as our home page, but this is the general channel where you'll see different announcements and things that I put in here for you. We're going to be interested in the tabs today at the top. So if you come to the top, you will see Clever. If you do not see Clever, then click on the tab that says More, and it will pop up. I'm going to go ahead and click Clever because it's already here for me, and that's going to bring you straight to Clever. You don't have to go to the Symbaloo or anything. You go to the Symbaloo, you log into our team, and then you can get to everything else from here. Now, if you can remember where you put your login badge for Clever, you guys brought those home with you. They should be in your toolbox. And if you click this, then you can just hold it up to the camera and you're in. If you can't find your Clever badge, you're going to have to type in your credentials, and those are found on your login sheets that I sent to you and your parents. If you can't find it, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to shoot it over to you. And so then you just click that and you log in. I'm not going to log in because my Clever looks a lot different than yours, but that's what you guys know how to do this part. So I've been told that once you're logged in, it sticks in your notebook and you don't have to type it in each time. So you guys can let me know if that's true. I've put up here our other class tabs for our website. So if you can't see them, and they can only put so many tabs across the top, so they put this little More button here, you will find them there. So you just click this little down arrow and it will pop up a menu. And maybe I want to do my Flipgrid assignment. So I go to my Flipgrid, and then you just have to type in your username, which also is on your login sheet if you can't remember it. And then this will take you straight to our grid. And again, you shouldn't have to do it again after you have done it through here once. So let's say I wanted to go to Spelling City. And I just click Spelling City, come down and put in my credentials, and then you're in. Oops, wrong tab. Sorry about that. So let's click over here. Let's go to Learn Zillion. Now on Learn Zillion, I'm actually logged in as Susie. And for those of you who are new to our class, Susie is an invisible student, and she helps us to demonstrate things on the computer. So I'm logged in here as Susie, but when you log in, you'll have a login button right here where it says Susie's name. And you're going to type in your login information for Learn Zillion. And then, just because I logged in as Susie in my team, I don't have to log in as her again. It just remembers her. So I'm going to go back. Oops, wrong tab again. Sorry about that. And this time I'm going to go to Reading A to Z. Reading A to Z is a little bit different. When it opens, you'll see it's open because it's right here on the tab, but it doesn't like to open within the notebook. So what you're going to have to do for Reading A to Z is go ahead and click it and then come over here where you see the world. And that's basically going to open that website in a different tab. So at the top of your computer, you should be able to see your tabs. Here's my Teams tab, and here's my Reading A to Z tab. And then once you're in there, you just click your name. Here's Susie again. Type in your password. Learning A to Z, if you type it here and you click to save your password, then it will. But this is going to open outside of our team, so you need to get your parents' permission before you save that password to the computer. So once you get here, like we had last week, we had a science assignment in Learning A to Z, and so you just click on Science, click on My Assignment, and you'll remember it was the one about wandering seals. So you'll have single assignments up here. And so we had to watch a video and then read a book and answer some discussion questions. So that's how you get there to the science in A to Z. When you're finished, you just click back. Now you can read some science in the science library if you wish, or this in the news tab is really cool. That's current events, science, current events, and the news. I'm not going to click on all that, just in the interest of time. You can go back home, and then just like normal, you can do your reading by clicking here, and your page will look similar to the science page. You'll have your assignments, and then the library and things like that. HeadSprout is something else I've added in here. It's got some phonics and things like that in it you can go into. I haven't given you any assignments in that, but you're welcome to check it out. So when you're finished with that, you just simply go up to the top of your page and close it. You can log out if you want to. If you log out, then you're going to be logged out. I like to just close my tab. That brings me back to my notebook page. And that's all there is to it. Any of the websites that we use in class are all right here inside your Teams. Easy for you to find. All right? I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you soon.